Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor, coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 19 BHLE. This is a single over single bunk setup with a residential queen bed up front, loaded with features. I'm excited to get into it with you today. This is part of our Sub 4 Legend series. Sub 4 means it's right at 4,000 pounds or less. This floor plan is right at about 3,800 pounds, under 24 feet at 23 feet 7 inches. So very versatile size. You can take it anywhere, off the grid, national parks, whatever you want to do. Very versatile setup. This is one of my favorite floor plans. Let's talk about some of the features we've got here on the door side of this unit. We've got a standard outside kitchen setup, which you're going to see on all of our single axles here in the Legend series. We've got a bracket that slides on here that's going to hold your Elite series flat top griddle. You've also got a prep table that'll slide on as well. And then you've got a freshwater spray port here. This is connected to your freshwater tank directly, so it gives you nice access to fresh water on the outside. We've got a cable set up here, outside power as well. You've also got an oversized awning here. This is a nice size awning, covers almost the entire length of the trailer. You've got an LED strip light here, covers the entry door, covers the outside kitchen. Really nice setup. You've also got our brand new black glass entry door, something we're very excited about for 2023. It's got a window there, as you can see, shade prep. You can get the shade aftermarket. We've got Moride steps, standard equipment here on every single floor plan. You're gonna find those. Very nice upgrade at this size and price point. We've got the Surveyor name cut out there. It's going to illuminate when you have the porch light on, so when you turn that on, it's going to light those steps up if you have animals, kids. This is a bunkhouse, obviously, so kids are going to be running in and out. It's got a friction hinge on that door, and the steps make it very nice, especially when you can light them up at night. Nice safety feature for you there. We've got aluminum wheels standard. You're going to find this on every single Surveyor floor plan. We've also got a sealed and heated underbelly. This is something I really want you to pay attention to. At this size, it's very rare to find that. You've got a sealed underbelly, so everything's protected, but you've also got a dedicated heat duct that's forcing air to the underbelly when you're running that furnace. So you're really set up well for extended season camping, but it's going to give you a lot of peace of mind as temperatures drop when you're out there. Let's head to the back. A few more features I want to show you. All right, we're in the back of the 19 BHLE. Let's talk about some of the standard equipment we've got back here. Standard roof ladder, fully walkable roof. You got 16 on-center trusses up there, built to walk on roof. You got the PVC roof membrane up there as well. It's the best material on the market, no question about it. You've also got standard backup camera prep here, standard spare tire cover, and then you've got an optional fold-down cargo rack that you can put on as well. Very easy to add aftermarket. This gives you a lot of additional storage opportunities there if you want to take firewood, coolers, generators, whatever you want to do. But a nice additional feature that we option on the Legend series. You're going to find it standard on the Grand series, but you can add it to all of our Legend floor plans. Let's head around front. I want to show you the pass-through area and some of the standard features we've got in the front of the unit. All right, let's check out this pass-through area of the 19 BHLE. You've got slam latch baggage door, magnetic door catches here, which is really nice. You've got full pass-through here. This is a huge area that you're gonna notice. A ton of additional storage opportunities here. A nice clean finished area. You've got aluminum bed bases as well. So you've got motion lighting up here, which is a nice upgrade, and you've also got a 3/4 inch drill bit that we include standard to assist with the manual jacks. But just a really nice front pass-through setup here that you're gonna see in the 19 BHLE. Ton of additional space for you. Let's check out some of the additional features we've got here. Standard power tongue jack, which you're gonna see on all of our models. You've got a single propane setup that you're gonna see on all of our single axle floor plans, and it does come with the cover. What's really nice about this power tongue jack, you've got the hitch light as well, so nighttime, early in the morning, it's really nice to have that hitch light. We've got a nice pet-friendly utility hook here. You can put your safety chains on it. You can latch up bikes, pet leash, whatever you want to do. Some nice, but a nice feature there. Around this other side, we've got a 7-way cord holder, which is a really nice feature. Gets that 7-way cord off the ground. And then you've got a standard battery disconnect. And you're gonna see the repeater here, the red light for our standard TPMS system. This is gonna give you a ton of peace of mind as you're traveling down the road. This is a brand new feature for 2023. This TPMS system is gonna not only monitor tire pressure, but also monitor heat and it's going to be able to give you warnings for slow leaks, fast leaks, but it's going to give you a lot of peace of mind as you're traveling, get you off the road safely. But again, this system is going to be standard on every single floor plan that we offer in the Surveyor lineup. All right, let's step inside. There's some great features I want to show you on the interior. All right, we're inside the 19 BHLE, one of my favorite legend floor plans. Very open floor plan, ton of space. I'm telling you, this does not feel like a 23-foot unit. A ton of space in here, tall slide outs, open bunk area. Let's check out the rear here. You've got a nice single over single bunk area here, very open feel, nice setup for the kids. You've got a standard roof ladder. It's not removable, so it's stationary. It's going to stay there for you, but a great feature helping these kids get in and out of the bunks. You've got USB and lights in each bunk area. What's nice about the lights, you can turn them off manually. If one kid wants to go to bed, stay awake, you can do that. So really nice setup. Over here, you've got a really nice bathroom setup in this 19BH. A lot of times in this size of floor plan, you're not going to have a vanity in there. You maybe just might have a mirror, but no sink. A lot of times that's in the shower. You don't have that here. You've got a vanity set up in every single floor plan we offer, so keep that in mind. But you've got standard porcelain toilet. You've got Surfex countertops in here, scratch stain, chip resistant, no tea mold, so you're protected from moisture in here. A really nice wardrobe area in here with hanging storage, but a ton of space in here. You've got a huge shower with the skylight. You've also got a really nice medicine cabinet set up here with the storage behind it, toothbrush holder, and you've got residential backsplash as well with some storage underneath the sink. Just a great setup here and a ton of space in the 19BH, what you're gonna need if you're bringing kids with you, but a ton of space there. Let's check out this dining area here. 6 foot tall slide outs, a ton of space here. Like I said, you've got 78-inch interior height in this 19 series, 6 foot tall slide outs, but just a ton of great space, but certainly an elevated level of comfort here in this 19 BHLE that you're not gonna see another similar size floor plan, so keep that in mind. Residential dinette light. You've got a very spacious full-size booth dinette here. We put booth dinettes in all of our floor plans because they're more comfortable, they're more spacious. A lot of times you're going to see a smaller U-shaped dinette in this setup. You can try to sit 4 people there. You can't do it, especially for adults, so keep that in mind. A booth dinette is the way to go. It's more comfortable. We've also got our easy access dinette storage here. Very easy to access that full storage area. You take the cushions down. This is gas strut assisted. You lift it up. This is just an easier way to access those items that may slide to the back of that storage area versus trying to reach through a cabinet door, so keep that in mind. This dinette table, same materials in the lab. You've got Surfex here, no tea molding, scratch stain, chip resistant. So again, this is an area where you're going to be eating, spilling water potentially. You're going to be protected from moisture here, but just a ton of space. You've got ventilated windows on the slide out walls, so a lot of air can pass through there, and then a huge panoramic window that's going to give you some nice views of the camp area and let some natural light in. Let's check out this kitchen area, one of my favorite areas in these single axle units. Brand new setup for 2023. You've got the oversized sink here with the sink cover. This is a graded sink cover you're gonna have on the one side. Very functional though. If you're washing dishes, you've got a place to dry those dishes here. But very nice, huge stainless steel sink there. Again, Surfex countertops here, scratch stain, chip resistant, no tea mold. Brand new gray stone cooktop here with the glass cover, so when you're not using it, even more counter space. But this new setup gives you even more counter space than you had before with the larger sink. So it's a home run for sure in the single axle setup. You've also got a residential sink cover here, or a cutting board, excuse me. Really nice feature, upgraded, but very functional. And it is food grade tested, so it gives you a nice area to prep food in addition to the countertop space. And then you've got the nice slim gray stone fan here as well, so very nice setup. Great storage here in the 19B HLE. You've got your branded bottle opener here, don't forget about that, but you've got a couple full extension pull-out drawers here. You've also got your central vac system. This is going to be a new feature for 2023 we are very excited about, but this is standard equipment on every single Surveyor floor plan. Everybody likes to sweep out their unit from time to time, especially in a bunkhouse. You're going to get a little bit of dirt in here, but this makes it very easy to clean up versus trying to sweep outside your entry door. Very easy to use. You kick it up, And it's got a nice light on there as well if you're trying to sweep at night. You happen to be doing that, but just a really nice central vac setup again you're going to see on every single floor plan. Nice overhead storage here. I was talking about that. Just a ton of great overall storage in this 19BH. And then you've got one of my favorite features here, the black glass Furrion 12 volt 10 cubic foot refrigerator. This is a great setup, but I want you to keep in mind a lot of times this is going to be almost double the size that you're going to see in comparable floor plans. A lot of smaller floor plans under 25 feet are going to have a 5 cubic foot, 6 or 8 cubic foot refrigerator. This is 10 cubic foot, and it is a very cool look, but functions very well as well. Huge refrigerator area, huge freezer area, and again, this is 12 volts, so it's going to pair nicely with the standard solar setup that we've got across the board in all Surveyors. Let's check out the front bedroom area. Very nice setup, excited to show it to you. All right, we're in the front of the 19BHLE. You've got a residential queen bed up here, 60 by 80 queen bed. Really nice open setup though. What I really like about this is the headboard. You've got the Surfex countertop headboard piece up here with the built-in cup holders. I know I like to have water by my side at night, so this makes it very easy to store drinks. You've also got USB and power if you want to plug in your iPads, your phones, anything like that at nighttime. So very nice setup here with some storage underneath. But this is a 60 by 80 bed. I want to remind you guys we've got 60 by 80 residential queen beds in every single model, including our Murphy bed setups, which is very rare in the lightweight segment. Some great storage here. You got some really nice overheads. This was a nice change for 23 doors, and all of our bedrooms you're going to have overhead cabinet doors. So really nice setup there. Nice ventilated windows as well, and then you're going to have the front window that you're going to see in the Legend series. Does have the shade as you can see there, but a nice automotive style front window. Lets a lot of natural light in, but you can keep it out obviously. And you've got some storage underneath as well. So just a really nice open front bedroom setup. And like I said, when you step inside this unit, it feels huge. Just a nice open setup all the way around. Before we head outside and wrap up, I want to talk about our solar setup. We've got an 80 watt solar panel on the roof, standard equipment. It's fixed to the roof. Go Power system. Go Power is one of the best names in solar, so we try to partner with the best. This is a 10 amp controller, but what I want you to know is this is pre-wired for a 30 amp controller, so plug and play for a 30 amp. This 10 amp controller will handle about 200 watts of solar, so you can add to the existing system now. If you're staying under 200, you can use the 10 amp controller. If you want to go above and beyond that, you're welcome to do that. Just need to plug in the 30 amp controller, which is very easy to do aftermarket. Let's head outside. We can wrap up. All right, we are wrapping up this tour of the 19BHLE. Again, this is part of our Surveyor Legend sub 4 series, which means it's under 4,000 pounds or right at it. This is 3,800 pounds, under 24 feet. Again, one of my favorite floor plans, very versatile, but some of the best construction you're going to see out there in the lightweight segment. I want you guys to understand that. You've got Asdale composite material on the walls, you've got laminated sidewalls, rear walls, slide outs, floors, block foam insulated. We do not cut any corners on construction, so just keep that in mind. This is something that's going to stand the test of time for you, be a great trailer for you as long as you need it to be. We've also got the sealed underbelly with the direct heat duct keeping you warm with that furnace, so keep that in mind. A lot of upgraded features on this 19BH. But thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. For more information, you can always go to our website at forestriverinc.com/surveyor. Thanks for joining me.